Hello, my name is Denise LaFrance, and I am the director of the library here. We are here to take a short video tour of our renovated and expanded space. We will be reopening on June 26th, but we'd like to give you a sneak preview. Come on in. So if we keep on going here, we go into children's services. This is very exciting. This area just has a totally new look, lots of new space. This is going to be our picture book area. So for our very youngest community members, there's a train table, there's toys in that corner, lots of great new things and expanded space. Coming over to this section, this is again going to be toys. There's a kitchen, there's a dollhouse, there's a market, all kinds of different play spaces. This is a lot more open, airy, and we have more space for everything. If you come over here, we have a ramp taking you up to our program space. We also broke through into our basement space to give the children's room more book space. This was our basement area. So these historic stacks, they're original from 1905, so those had to stay because they're actually structural. And everything's still looking very rough, but we're working on it. This is our programming room for the kids, so we'll have smaller story times in here, we'll have craft sessions, all the smaller things. This was our picture book area before. So this is the new addition. So it sort of encompasses this beautiful new stairway and 2 sets of bathrooms on each floor and some new meeting rooms. But let's head on up. I think they did a great job trying to keep the architecture the same and sort of mimic what happens in the historic part of the building. And so then you are coming in. We are now going back into the 1988 edition. But so this is the adult space. Back here, we have a cafe bar. We will have some of our own computers, but then people can come and sit with a laptop, and I think this is just going to be a beautiful space to sit. And then we have a lower counter for wheelchair accessibility, or people just don't like the cafe height. Going onto this side, and this is our large print collection. So this glass wall here takes us into the teen space. We've never had a dedicated teen space, so this is really cool. We're obviously setting it up right now, but there's going to be a nice area over here for programs that we can have with gaming or just community space to come sit, but a nice sofa here. But now we're going back into the original part of the building. So this is the 1905 building. This used to be the reference room, but this is actually where our new adult circulation desk is. So we actually don't have a reference desk. We have like a all-in-one desk. So this will be circulation and information services. So this was our browse room. This is going to hold fiction. This was actually office space. It holds more fiction. So now we're back into the historic stacks that were the ones that were structural that I was talking about. So this is the adult area. This is the glass floor. We are bringing back a piece of it so people can see. All right, so this is the original, staircase, and we rehung all of our art, which really makes it feel like home again. So this is still our historical room. So this is going to be climate controlled to protect this collection. We redid floors, so this was under the carpet. So we wanted to bring back some of these beautiful wood floors. So this one stayed, as well as our trustees room. There's a couple of ways we can go into what we're now calling the community room, which people know as the lecture hall. I think it's a beautiful space, and this is, we have bigger story times here, lectures, music, you name it. So we kind of designed this meeting room to be an extended space from the community room. Like maybe there was a big event in here and you were having some food, you could have it in here because it's got like a floor, a sink, and that sort of thing. But it's a nice meeting room on its own. You still have the historic building, but it has improvements as far as connectivity and electrical outlets, all the things we're used to now in the modern day. We have more meeting rooms and community space. Our library is about so much more than books, and the community space is really important, and now we feel like we have more of that and we can have more programming. We are very thankful to the City Council for approving the money to do this, and the community for supporting it, and all the positive comments that we've been getting about this. And I know that people are really excited to get back inside.